Hello students, today we are going to see the 5th standard Unit-2 VR1. The name of the lesson is The Cracked Coffee Cup. And we are going to see only the book back exercises and the question answers. Let us understand. Okay. That is fill in the blanks. First one, Teddy took his pillow as a sign of B. Three options they give. B is the answer, welcoming them. Second one, Connie and Teddy were in the garden at 12 o'clock. Students, I have underlined. Okay, C is the answer, I underlined it. And third one, Muthu collected garbage from every house. B, garbage is the answer for it. Fourth one, Anbu was a dash old boy, 2-year-old boy. Fifth one, Connie took Teddy out for a B. Walk is the answer. Okay, Connie took Teddy for a walk. B. Answer the questions. Why did Connie ran to the kitchen? First answer, Connie ran to the kitchen to pick up the garbage bag. Second question, where did Connie see the old cracked cup? Okay. Second answer, Connie saw the old cracked cup near the kitchen sink. Third question, who were the guests to Connie's home? Third answer, Rani. Rani auntie and her 2-year-old son were the guests to Connie's home. Fourth one, what did Connie realize in the story? Fourth answer, Connie realized that she should also treat everyone equally with love and respect. Fifth one, do you think you treat everyone equally? Just justify with an example. Yes, I treat everyone equally. As a student, I am helping my classmate in their studies. If they ask any doubt, I'll help them, and I'm treating everyone equally. Here, clip words we are going to see. Clip word is a short form of word which makes easier to spell and write. Okay, so you can see the original words here, and you can see the clip words. Okay, I'll read it within 1 minute. Okay, advertisement, ad, automobile, auto, mathematics, math, microphone, mic, centum, cent, photograph, photo, examination, exam, spectacles, specs, refrigerator, fridge, hippopotamus, hippo, gymnasium, gym. Okay, you want to pronounce clearly, okay? Now we are going for the exercises. A. Match the clip words and write it on the line. Spectacle, it's specs. Okay, I have arrowed, see? You can see the arrow mark to the correct answer, and I have written as 1, 2 like that. So spectacles, specs, microphone, mic, automobile, auto, mathematics, maths, centum, cent. Next one is B. Write down clip words for the given picture. 100% they are given, cent percent we'll say, okay, cent. Second one, photograph, photo. And third one, refrigerator, that is fridge is the clip word for it. Next you see hippopotamus is hippo, gymnasium is gym, okay. Gym they'll say, you can pronounce as you like, gym or gym, okay. Actually gym only will come, gym won't come, gym. I think you heard the word of as a gymnastics, you heard. So gym, okay. C. Now write the correct clip words on the line. I saw him in the lab. Laboratory, clip word is lab. Second one, I have an exam next week. So examination, clip word, exam. Third one, she acted in the dash advertisement for first time is ad. Okay, ad you can say. Advertisement, ad. Fifth one, she bought a new fridge. Refrigerator, it's fridge. And fifth one, I saw some wild animal. Zoological park, his clip word is zoo. So fifth one, I saw some wild animals in the zoo. Take care, students, and study well, okay?